Okay, today we're here at Knott's Berry Farm for the Boysenberry Festival. And I went to the Ghost Town Bakery and got their boysenberry and chocolate chip loaf. So this is a loaf of bread, I guess. And here's a boysenberry right here and baked into the loaf. And there's lots of chocolate chips. You see the chocolate chips on the top. Oh! It's a very dense loaf of chocolate chip loaf. Chocolate chip and boysenberry. And you can actually taste the boysenberry and the chocolate chips. If you like chocolate chips, this one has a lot of chocolate chips in it. Yeah, this is a good one. I like it. We don't know what any of the prices are for the tasting card items. Oh, by the way, this is on the tasting card. The tasting card items in the bakery, they don't have any prices, so I don't know how much they are. But I guess you can buy them separately. But yeah, this is really good. I'm going to give this one an A. So please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on the notification bell, and click on all so you get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite, and I'll see you in the next one.